How to fix call recording option not showing on Samsung. If the call recording option is missing from your Samsung phone's call settings, you can follow up this method. So first of all, head over to your settings for that, and from there you may scroll down, look out for software update option, and download and install the latest version to ensure that your phone is running to the latest software. Once this is done, you can just head over and look out for applications to clear cache and data if that is not happening. So you can head over the settings for that, scroll down from the given options, look for apps, and once you open it up, you can head over and search for phone app here. And once you locate it up, open it up, go over the stories from here, and look out for option of clear cache, also clear data if necessary. Once this is done, you can check for regional restrictions. So call recording availability can vary from region, so ensure that your location supports the feature. And the thing is, you can try disabling your Wi-Fi calling as well. So head over, go to settings, and uh, let me just head over to phone app first. And then once you are there, go over to settings and look out if there is any option called Wi-Fi calling. You can just go ahead and toggle it off if there's such kind of options, because that may be the reason why you're having that issue. Otherwise, if you're using any kind of third-party call recorder, you can just go ahead and install it first and try using your default ones. Otherwise, there are different kind of third-party recorder in Play Store available called recorder. You can download a reliable call recorder app from the Google Play Store, and that should help you. So you can follow up this method if you are having that issue of call recording option not showing on Samsung, and let us know if that works. And thank you for watching this video, and we will be seeing you in another video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.